Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the new smartphone from Realme, that is the Realme X. My friend bought this phone from flipkart.com on the second sale of this smartphone. This smartphone comes in 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variant, but this is the 17,000 rupees version, that is the 4GB RAM and 128GB internal storage version. Without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Peeling off the plastic. This time around, we get a premium box that is white in color and not the usual grey box, which was also a good quality box. So here we get, "Hey, welcome to the family" from Realme. Inside this card sheet box, we get information and warranty guide. We get the quick guide and the SIM injector tool. Also, we get in the box this nice case for our smartphone. For now, let's get the phone out of the box and keep it to the side and get into the contents of the box. Inside the box, we get this fast charger that has the Whoop technology that is really fast. And at last, we get this really nice and small USB-C cable, which is absolutely amazing. At last, we got transferred from the micro USB to the USB-C. So now let's get to the phone itself. Removing the plastic cover, we get the phone. The in-hand feeling of this phone is really nice. For the first time when I held this phone, I felt like it was glass. Let's boot up the phone and let me give you a overview of the phone. So in the front, we got a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display that is from edge to edge. On the right hand side of the phone, we get the power button, which is the lock unlock button, and on the left hand side of the phone, we get the volume rockers. On the back side of the phone, we get this 48 plus 5 megapixel camera with dual flash and the Realme logo. At the bottom of the phone, we got a single speaker, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the charging port, which is thankfully USB-C. Also, this phone carries a 3725 mAh battery, which should be good enough for a phone this size. Not like Redmi though, which gives 4000 mAh battery. But let's skip through this process. And voila, we are into the OS. Looking at the screen for the first time, it looks absolutely amazing, and also the phone is smooth to handle. There are some apps which are given by the company, which you can call extra apps that you can uninstall. Let me show you in the settings the specification of this phone. This phone carries a Snapdragon 710 processor, which is an octa-core processor. It has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, of which we get around 105GB free. The rest of it goes to the OS and the RAM management, etc. Let's install the SIM card. This has a dual SIM card slot, so it takes two 4G LTE SIMs inside the phone. Unfortunately, this phone does not have a micro SD card slot, but with the 128 gigs of storage, you have enough already. If you want more storage, you can buy the other option, which has 256GB of storage. There is no problem of reception with this phone. The phone automatically detects, and we are into the geo network. Let's set up the in-screen fingerprint lock. So this is a really easy process. You just have to tap on the screen and there you go. It's really fast and reliable, I may say. And let's set up the face lock. And this was really fast. So the face lock setup was really easy, and also this phone recognizes the face, unlocks the phone really fast, as they are claiming it's the fastest rotating camera in the market, so it should be right. The call quality and reception with this phone is absolutely amazing, and that is what we bought the phone for, to make a call. You can see the display 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. It's really nice and bright. The colors are very nice. Let's get into the camera now. So it snaps photo really fast and pretty nice photos. Looks better in the smartphone display but are very good. The 48 megapixel camera takes really nice photos. You can also shoot videos in 4K in this phone. In this photo you can see a really nice dynamic range. If you see the skies you can see, and also this phone is good for taking portraits. Looking at the front facing camera, it takes nice looking selfies. Not the most detailed ones, but the ones it takes in the natural lighting are really good. As this phone has the 16 megapixel rotating camera, this is really a breeze to take a selfie. This has the same sensor as that of the OnePlus 7 in the rear and the front. It has no problem focusing on objects. By default, it takes 12 megapixel photos, so you can set it up to 48 megapixel if you want. Also, this has the nightscape, panorama, expert mode, time lapse and slow motion. You can take slow motion in 240 fps as well as 960 fps. There is also the scene detection in this phone. Chroma boost is also available so that your colors pop even more, and you also get this kind of filters. To know more about this phone in the future, so subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the video. Let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite feature of this smartphone.